Here next one, fourth problem. Total 8 problems here given. I said 3 problems, remaining 4 problems. I said remaining problems homework. See, third one homework. Fourth one, first one, third one homework. No, third one right. Every problem I said. 7D minus 9E. 7D minus 9E. So here this is a binomial expression. This is a binomial expression. These binomial expressions are equal. Yes. So 7D minus 9E whole square. 7D minus 9E whole square. So now this is identity of A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So 7D minus 9E whole square is equal to, so A square 7D square plus B square 9E whole square minus 2 cross out 7D cross out 9E. So 7D square how much? 7 square and D square plus 9E square 9 square and E square minus 7 9s are 63. 63 2s are 126. DE. So here 7 7s are 49 D square. 9 9s are 81 E square minus 126 DE. That is next one. Fourth one, m square minus n square. M square minus n square. M square plus n square. Here see. Now these both are different, but terms are equal, but signs are different. This is how to write. Here see, m square here given 2 times. M square 2 times. So m square cross out m square minus like m square minus n square plus m square minus plus m square. These you are multiply. M square minus n square is this one. M square plus m square minus n square whole square cross out m square. Now m square cross out m square minus m square cross out n square plus m square cross out n square minus n square. Good morning students. Yesterday we have discussed about the exercise 11th chapter, exercise 3rd. So in this chapter only remaining 2 exercises, 4 and 5. Exercise 4, exercise 5. Today we have these 2 exercises finish. See, now exercise 1, just what is the algebraic expression. Exercise 2 and exercise 3, monomial multiply with binomial and trinomial. Exercise 3, binomial multiply with binomial and trinomial. In this exercise, identity. What is identity? See, identity means, so here given x value or y value or any value, so that is the identity of x and y and z, some letters alphabet. So we are substitute in the equation algebraic expression that values, that is identity. For example, here a minus 2, this is one expression. Now here this is a monomial, this is a binomial, this one you are multiply, here a cross out a minus 2 cross out a square minus 2a, that is the one expression. Here let a equal to 5, so now a minus a cross out a minus 2 equal to a square minus 2a. So given a, let a value is a 5, so substitute a value in RHS and LHS. We know RHS. Now this is a equal to right side we are called RHS, equal to left side we are called LHS. Left hand side, right hand side. So here a value how much? 5 minus 2, 5 square cross out 2 cross out 5. So 5 5s are 25 minus 5 2s are 5 cross out 5, 2 cross out 5. 5 5s are 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10. 15. 15 equal to 15. Here RHS and LHS both are equal. So that is identity of A. So here identity of A is 5. So RHS and LHS both are equal, that is identity of A. Next one. A plus B, now we know. So identity is indicated by 3, like this slide. This is identity symbol. So limit A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. This is a very important. So A plus B whole square. Generally A square how to write? A cross out A. So this is a power how many times base we are multiplying. Here a plus b whole square, like both one whole square. So a plus b cross out a plus b. Now a cross out a plus b plus b cross out a plus b. So these two are your multiply. A cross out a plus a cross out b plus b cross out a plus b cross out b. So a cross out a square ab plus ab plus b cross out b square. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here ab is how many? 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square are a square plus b square plus 2ab. Our wish. So both are same only. So this is a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a plus b whole square formula. Right. So here RHS, LHS equal, this is identity. So this is one of the identity, a plus b whole square. Next one, a minus b whole square. Next one, a minus b whole square. So here see, a minus b cross out a minus b. So now here a cross out a minus b minus b cross out a minus b. So a cross out a minus a cross out b minus b cross out a minus into minus plus b cross out b. Now a cross out a square minus ab b cross out b square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what is the identity of the a square minus b square? A square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus b square minus 2ab. These are formulas, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Now see, find the 3x plus 4y whole square. Now as is, this is which like a for identity, this is a, you think a equal to 3x plus b equal to 4y. Here see, a equal to 3x, b equal to 4y. Now a plus b whole square. Formula what? So here write a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now a square, which one? 3x square. B square 4y square plus c square 2ab 2 3x 4y. Now here see these square both one we are multiply y whole square. So 3 square and x square as it is 4 square and y square. Here see cross out 2 3 ja 6 6 3 6 4 ja 24 and xy. So 9x square plus 16y square plus 24xy. 9x square plus 16y square plus 24xy. So 3x plus 4y whole square value 9x square plus 16y square plus 24xy. Next one. Here next one see 3m. Next problem example 3m minus 5n whole square. How is it? This is the identity of a minus b whole square. Now a equal to 3m and b equal to 5n. How is it? Now a minus b whole square. What is the a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now here see, so as it is here a square, a value 3m square plus b square, b value 5m square and minus 2ab. So 2 cross out 3m cross out 5m. So what is the value? This is the whole square. Whole square means in the bracket how many terms, that all terms apply the square. So 3 square plus m square plus 5 square and n square minus 2 3 ja 6 6 5 ja 30 m cross out n 30 mn. So here 3 square value 9 m square plus 5 square value 25 m square minus 30 mn. That is 3m minus 5n whole square. Next one is the another identity. So already here identity you keep and you write it. Identity, identity. So identity is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab So there sometime now starting I said that there is no equation given, just equation. They are given a value is a 5, that is LHS and RHS both are equal, that is identity. So next one, here see a plus b cross out a minus b. So now a plus b cross out a minus a plus b cross out b. Now see a cross out a plus b cross out a minus a cross out b minus b cross out b. Why minus? Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Now a square ab minus ab minus b square. So 1 plus ab, 1 minus ab, cancel. So a square plus b square. So here see, sorry, a square minus b square. So this is identity. Now a plus b, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a plus b cross out a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is answer, a square minus b square. So that is one of the identity. Now these identity we are substitute another problem. So see another example. Here here 196. Find the value of 196 whole square. So these 196 cross out 196. This like a we write. So these problem we write shortcut. So see 196 how to write? 200 minus 4. 200 minus 4. We write this like a possible or not possible? 200 minus 4 value how much? 196 whole square. So now here this is a, this is a b. So here identity a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square value 200 square plus b square value 4 square minus 2 cross out 200 cross out 4. So now 200 cross out 200. Simple. How much? 40,000. Here see 200 cross out 200. 2 2s are 4. Both sides 4 zeros you are multiplied. So 40,000. Next one. 16 minus 200. 2s are 400. 400. 6 jar 4 jar. 1600. So now 40,000 minus 1600 how much? 38,400 plus 16. So 38,416. That 2 we are multiplied. This is the answer. Now find the value of 308 square. So how to write this is? So we are converting identity. So here 300 plus 8 whole square. So 300 plus 8 how much value? 308. So now this is opposite a plus b whole square identity. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So now a square 300 square plus b square 8 square plus 2ab 2 cross out 300 cross out 8. Now 300 square how much? 90,000 plus 8 square 8 8 just 64 plus 2 3s are 600 2 300s are 600 608 jar. So 4,800. So now these all were added. So 94,864. So that is that value. Now with these all example problems, they are given 15-14 problems. So just I said 3 or 5 problems. Remaining problems you are observed at home and you try to understand. So now we will go to the exercise 3-4. Now exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4. Here see. Select a suitable identity. Find the following product. Here see. First one. First problem. Select suitable identity. Suitable identity. So what is the identity? LHS and RHS is equal. A equation of a equation, that is identity. So now here first one 3k plus 4l plus 4l. See here 3k plus 4l, 3k plus 4l. 2 times we are multiplying. Yes. So this one how to write? 3k plus 4l whole square. Why? A cross out a. How to write? No, a cross. A plus b cross out first. A cross out a. Here both are 2 terms equal. So a square. As is a plus b cross out a plus b. So now a plus b whole square. So now this is a plus b whole square. So that is identity. Yes, a plus b whole square identity. What? A plus b. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Just they are asking identity only. So identity a plus b whole square is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. 4kl whole square, 2 cross out 3k cross out 4l. So I said directly. Why? So many times I said 3 direct 9k square, right, or 3. So 3k whole square. This square is a bracket inside. How many terms given? We are applying that square. 3 square k square plus 4 square l square plus 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 kl. So 9k square plus 16 l square 24 kl. That is next problem. Ax square plus by square. Ax square plus by square. Ax square plus by square. Now we are see. So ax square by square, ax square by square, both are same expressions. So same expressions we are multiply ax square plus by square whole square. Now how is it? That is identity a plus b whole square. Identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here ax square plus by square is equal to ax square whole square plus by square whole square plus 2 cross out ax square by square. Now these you are multiplied. So a square x square whole square plus b square y square whole square plus 2 cross out ax square by square. Now a square x power 4 y. Now a power m whole power n equal to a power m cross out n. So 2 cross out 2 x power 4. Next one b power b square y power 4 2ax square plus by square. So that is the answer. So you write. So there all problems we are identifying identity. After we are using that identity. So here m square cross out to m square. So bases are equal, powers add. M power 4 minus m square and n square plus m square and n square. M square plus m square n square. Here bases are equal, powers added. This is going to exponents. Just so mass is every lesson interact to the one lesson. So m power 4. So minus m square plus m square. Both are cancelled. Minus m power 4. So this is which identity? Identity Next problem. Next one, fifth one, 3t plus 9s. First one, fifth problem, 3t plus 9s minus 3t minus 9s. So here see, these both are binomial expressions. These both are we are product of these binomial expression. Which one? So here 3t plus 9s cross out 3t minus 3t plus 9s cross out 9s. So now you are multiplying 3t cross out 3t plus 9s cross out 3t minus 3t cross out 9s minus into plus minus 9s cross out 9s. So here 3t cross out 3t, 3 3s are 9 t squared. So plus 9 3s are 27 st. Next one, 9 3s are 27 st. 9 9s are 81 s squared. So plus 27 st minus 27 st, both are cancelled. So 9 t squared minus 8 s squared. That is so next. So this is identity of a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So these identities you are learned perfectly and keep in your mind. So a plus b is whole square is equal to a square plus b square, as well as a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b cross out a minus b. Next, sixth one, KL minus mn, KL plus mn. So here these both are binomial expressions. You are product of these expressions. KL minus mn cross out KL plus KL minus mn cross out mn. So now here KL cross out KL minus mn cross out KL plus KL cross out mn minus mn cross out mn. So here KL, what is KL whole square? KL whole square minus KL plus KL Next here, mn cross out mn whole square. Now kl whole square, kl mn 1 plus 1 minus cancel minus mn whole square. So this is identity of a plus b cross out a minus b, a square minus b square. Next one, seventh problem, 6x plus 5, 6x plus 6. So this is another identity, 6x plus 5, 6x plus 6. Here see, these both binomial terms we are multiplying. See, now 6x plus 5 cross out 6x plus 6x plus 5 cross out 6. Now here 6x plus 5 cross out 6x plus 6x cross out 6 plus 5 cross out 6. So 6x cross out 6x. How much? 6 6 36. X cross out x square plus 5 6 here see here observe 6x here common, so 5 plus 6x common we have take, 5 6 30. So this is identity of x plus a, x plus b. See, x plus a, x plus b, x square plus a plus b, x cross out plus ab. That is one identity. So 8th problem, 2a minus a, 2b plus c. 8th one, 2a minus c, 2a plus b. So these binomial expressions we are multiplying. Here 2a minus c cross out 2a plus 2a minus c cross out b. Now 2a cross out 2a minus c cross out 2a plus 2a cross out b minus c cross out b. Here 2 2s are 4a square, 2a common plus b minus c, 2a minus bc. So now here identity of x plus a, x minus b is equal x square plus a minus cross out x, cross out a minus b. That is the identity of that equation. So next one, evaluate the following using suitable identities. Second Roman. Second one, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following by using identity. Suitable identity. Here first one, 304 whole square. So 304 whole square, how to write? So 300 plus 4 whole square. Now this is a plus b whole square. A plus b, 300 square plus b square plus 2 cross out, 300 cross out 4. 300 square, 90,000 plus 4 square, 16 plus 2400. So these all multiply 92,416. So identity of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So these, like there 8 problems given, so that 8 problems you write. Next one, second one, 509 whole square. So this one how to write? 500 plus 9 whole square. Now a plus b whole square. So 500 square plus 9 square plus 2 cross out, 500 cross out 9. So 5 is a 25, 2 lakhs 50,000. 9 nines are 81 plus 2 fives are 10. 10 nines are 90. 9,000. So here 2 lakhs 59,081. So this is identity of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next one. Here third one, 992 whole square. So these one convert into now a plus b are a and b terms. So here 902 nearest to the 1000 minus how many numbers? How many numbers we are subtract? 8 numbers we are subtract. Now 1000 minus 2, 1000 minus 8, 992 whole square. So this is which is like an identity a minus b whole square. So a square B. So 1000 square 1 10 lakhs. 1000 cross out to 1000 10 lakhs plus a square 8 square value 64 minus 2 cross out to 8. How much? 2 cross out to 8 is 16. 16 cross out to 1000. 16,000. So now 10 lakhs minus 16,000. How much? 9 lakhs 84,000 plus 64. 9 lakhs 84,064. So this is identity of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Next one, fourth one. 799 whole square. This one how to write? Nearly 800 minus 1 whole square. Now a minus b whole square. 800 square plus 1 square minus 2. 800 cross out to 1. 800 square value 8 8 64. So 6,40,000 plus 1 2 8 1600. Yes, 6,40,000 minus 1600 38,400 plus 1 38,401. So this is identity of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Right. Next one. Next 4 problems. 4 problems you write. 5th to 6th one I said, 7th, 8th one you write homework. 5th one, 304 cross out 296. So this is convert. 304 how to write? 300 plus 4. 296 convert. 300 minus 4. Now 304 and 296. Now how is it? This is 304 cross out 3. These binomial numerical expressions multiply both one minus 300 plus 4 cross out 4. So 300 cross out 300 plus 400 4 cross out 300 minus 300 cross out 4 minus minus into plus minus 4 cross out 4 4 square. So how is it? This is identity of a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Like 300 square value 90,000 minus 16. So how much? 89,984. Next one, asked is next problem also this slide. So remaining in this exercise 4, 6, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These problems are homework. 6, 7 and 8. Exercise 4. Homework. Now next one, in this exercise, next one we are going to exercise 5. Exercise 5.